Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into how to create a post in the feed section, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit the like button, and let's get started. So first of all, we have to log in our Bitrix24 account, and in the left side corner, you will get the feed section. So in the feed section, you can directly uh, create here a message so that also if you want to announce anything or you want to do any post, then you can directly write down your subject here, and then also here is the co-pilot section also. So if you want summarized text and even more automated solution, then you can use this section. So here is the message section, so you can add here your message. If you want to give the birthday wish to particular employees, then you can add the template over there with the image. So here is the basic template for the message section. Here you can add the files and you can use the Copilot also for this messaging, so that you can directly send it to the employees or even selected employees for the particular post. So just like that, you can create a multiple posts and messages into the Bitrix24 feed section. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.